Welcome back. Time now for the business day, for the financial week. What was once seen as a hustle to make ends meet is now making its way into the heart of Jamaica's economy. With more businesses applying for licenses each day, authorities are moving to strengthen oversight to keep up with the pace. And we apologize for the absence of the audio on that story. Now, the JSE index advanced by 290 points, while the junior market index advanced by 2 points. The winners include A.S. Bryden & Sons Holdings, Productive Business Solution, US Dollar Ordinary Shares, Cargo Handlers, KLE Group, and General Accident Insurance. The losers include The Lab, Palace Amusement, Key Insurance Company, IS Finance Services, and 138 Student Living Jamaica Variable Preference Shares, 15 stocks traded firm. Foreign exchange trading ended with banks and cambios selling the US dollar for an average $161.62. The Canadian dollar is being sold for $115.47. The pound is going for $216.27, while the euro is selling for an average $186.97. And that's the Financial Week news from overseas and our bite of the week after the break.